All right, you twat. Got a problem with Microsoft's mental retardation now, have ya? Suppose you want to copy something to another window, right? Here we got the B-movie script, and I am going to paste it into Notepad. You may have already noticed that when highlighted the text, it caused my Notepad window to disappear below. And it just happened again. And because of this, I have to go back and forth. Or suppose you have an image with a large block of text, but since it is an image, you can't copy and paste the words. You silly midget, there is a simple solution to this. Go to the Microsoft Store, which can be found in the search bar by pressing the Windows key and search up PowerToys. Personally, I use the Gawk Gawk 3000 Slurp vacuum and click on the one that says Microsoft PowerToys with the weird TV logo. This application is made by Microsoft, so you won't have to worry about Chinese spyware, only Bill Gates staring at your knicker through the webcam. Just kidding. This gives you access to multiple tools you can use by using the keybinds provided. I'll demonstrate. Oh, hell yeah. Fuck you, Microsoft. Why did you hide these features?